The world of technology is abuzz with excitement and anticipation. OpenAI, the renowned artificial intelligence research company, has just sent shockwaves across the globe with a groundbreaking announcement that has everyone talking. They have unveiled their latest creation, the O3 model, a revolutionary step forward in the field of artificial intelligence. This isn't just another incremental improvement in AI, it's a monumental leap that redefines the boundaries of what we thought was possible. OpenAI claims that O3 represents a giant leap towards achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a future where machines possess intellectual capabilities rivaling those of humans. This means machines could potentially think, learn, and adapt just like us. The implications of this announcement are profound and far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives from healthcare to education, and even the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. AGI has long been the holy grail of artificial intelligence research, promising a future where machines can understand, learn, and solve problems with the same flexibility and ingenuity as the human mind. This breakthrough could change the way we approach problem-solving and innovation. If OpenAI's claims hold true, we could be on the verge of a technological revolution unlike any seen before. This could usher in a new era of unprecedented advancements and possibilities, transforming our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. At the heart of OpenAI's bold claim lies the remarkable performance of O3 on a challenging benchmark known as ARC-AGI. This benchmark is not just any ordinary test, it is designed to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, evaluating its ability to think, reason, and solve problems in ways that are strikingly similar to human intelligence. Designed to test an AI's ability to reason and solve problems in ways comparable to human intelligence, the ARC-AGI benchmark is a rigorous and demanding test. It challenges AI systems with a variety of complex tasks that require not just computational power, but also a deep understanding of the problems at hand. The ARC-AGI benchmark presents a formidable obstacle course for even the most sophisticated AI systems. Each task is meticulously crafted to assess different aspects of intelligence, from logical reasoning to problem-solving skills, making it a comprehensive test of an AI's capabilities. O3 has shattered expectations, achieving a near-perfect score on certain configurations of the ARC-AGI benchmark. This achievement is not just a testament to the advanced algorithms and computational power behind O3, but also to the innovative approaches taken by its developers. François Chollet, the creator of the benchmark and a respected figure in the AI community, has acknowledged O3's achievement as a significant milestone in the quest for AGI. His recognition is a powerful endorsement, highlighting the importance of O3's performance in the broader context of AI research and development. While he stops short of declaring O3 as true AGI, his recognition speaks volumes about the model's exceptional capabilities. It underscores the progress being made in the field of artificial intelligence and the potential for future advancements that could bring us even closer to achieving true AGI. What sets O3 apart from its predecessors is not just its raw processing power, but its enhanced reasoning abilities. Unlike previous AI models that often struggled with novel problems, O3 demonstrates a remarkable capacity for adaptability and problem-solving. O3 can tackle unfamiliar challenges, breaking them down into smaller components, analyzing relationships, and synthesizing solutions with a level of sophistication that was previously thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. This ability to reason and learn in a generalized manner is a hallmark of AGI, suggesting that O3 might be closer to this goal than any AI system before it. The evolution from OpenAI's previous model, O1, to the groundbreaking O3 is a testament to the rapid pace of advancement in the field of artificial intelligence. O3 represents a significant leap in capabilities, particularly in areas like coding, logical reasoning, and the simulation of human thought processes. In coding benchmarks, O3 consistently outperforms O1, demonstrating a deeper understanding of programming languages and an ability to generate more efficient and elegant code. Its logical reasoning skills have also seen a dramatic improvement, enabling O3 to solve complex puzzles and deduce logical conclusions with an accuracy that rivals human experts. Section 5. The road ahead. Challenges on the path to true AGI. While O3's achievements are undeniably impressive, it's important to acknowledge that the path to true AGI remains a challenging one. The journey is filled with numerous obstacles that need to be addressed and overcome. Each milestone reached brings us closer, but also reveals new complexities and intricacies that were previously unseen. While O3 exhibits many hallmarks of general intelligence, there are still hurdles to overcome before we can confidently declare that machines have achieved human-level cognitive abilities. These hurdles are not just technical, but also philosophical and ethical, raising questions about the nature of intelligence and consciousness. One of the key challenges lies in replicating the full spectrum of human cognition. This includes not only logical reasoning and problem-solving, but also the subtleties of emotional intelligence, creativity, and social interactions. While O3 excels in areas like logical reasoning and problem-solving, it still falls short in areas like emotional intelligence, creativity, and social understanding. These aspects are crucial for AGI to truly mirror human-like intelligence and behavior. True AGI would require machines to possess not just intellectual prowess, but also the emotional depth and social awareness that characterize the human experience. This means understanding and responding to human emotions, engaging in creative processes, and navigating complex social dynamics with the same ease and intuition as a human being. Section 6. OpenAI's cautious approach, navigating uncharted territory. OpenAI's announcement of O3 has been met with a mixture of excitement and caution. While the potential benefits of AGI are immense, so too are the potential risks. OpenAI appears acutely aware of this duality, choosing to tread carefully as they navigate this uncharted territory. Their cautious approach is reflected in their deliberate language. They have refrained from declaring O3 as true AGI, acknowledging that there is still much we don't understand about both artificial and natural intelligence. This measured approach is commendable, emphasizing the need for responsible development and deployment of powerful technologies like AGI. Section 7. The dawn of a new era. Implications of AGI for humanity. The advent of AGI has the potential to reshape the world as we know it, ushering in a new era of unprecedented technological advancement and societal transformation. From healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment, virtually every aspect of human life stands to be impacted by the rise of intelligent machines. The potential benefits are tantalizing. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed and treated with unparalleled accuracy, where personalized education caters to every student's unique learning style, and where tedious or dangerous tasks are automated, freeing up humans to pursue more creative and fulfilling endeavors. Section 8. Open questions and future directions. As we stand at the cusp of this new era, it's crucial to engage in thoughtful and informed discussions about the future we want to create with AGI. Key questions remain about the ethical implications of AGI, the potential impact on the job market, and the need for robust safety measures to ensure that these powerful technologies are used for the benefit of humanity. Open dialogue, collaboration between stakeholders, and a commitment to responsible innovation will be essential in navigating the complex landscape of AGI and harnessing its transformative potential for the greater good. Section 9. Conclusion: a tipping point in technological history. OpenAI's announcement of the O3 model marks a potential tipping point in the history of technology. While the debate about whether O3 constitutes true AGI will likely continue, there's no denying that this breakthrough represents a significant step forward in the field of artificial intelligence. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of AGI, one thing is certain: the future holds both immense promise and profound challenges. By embracing a spirit of curiosity, collaboration, and responsible innovation, we can work towards a future where artificial intelligence empowers humanity to reach new heights of progress and understanding.